Welcome to online classes of SNG Secondary School, Naugama.
Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 1, the sentence. We use words in group to express our thoughts by writing or telling. However, the combination of words does not make always a sentence. हम कुछ किसी को कहने चाहता है, कुछ बोलने चाहता है, कुछ लिखना चाहता है, हम सब एक एक सेंटेंस में बोलते हैं, लेकिन हर एक सेंटेंस हम जो भी बोलता है वो सही होता नहीं। What is a sentence? एक वाक्य क्या है? What is a sentence? ये sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. एक वाक्य शब्दों का एक समूह होता है, उनमें से एक अर्थ भी निकलता है। एक वाक्य शब्दों का समूह होता है, उनमें से एक अर्थ भी निकलता है। What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Look this sentence. She very beautiful is. Is this sentence is correct? Is this sentence is correct in meaningful order? No, it is. It do not in meaningful order. She very beautiful is. If we return it, she is very beautiful. It having a sense. वो बहुत सुंदर है. This sentence having a sense. This sentence do not having a sense. So whenever we are writing a sentence, it having a definite rule. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Then we can go to the types of sentence. There are 4 main types of sentences. One is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Imperative sentence. And last is exclamatory sentence. Four main types of sentences are there. One is assertive sentence, second interrogative sentence, and third imperative sentence, and fourth one is exclamatory sentence. What do you mean by assertive sentence? An assertive sentence is also called a declarative sentence because it declares something, it states something, it tells us something. An assertive sentence start in a capital letter and ends in a full stop. Sentence having two types. One is affirmative sentence, other is negative sentence. Affirmative sentence having positive meaning. Assertive sentence are two types. One is affirmative sentence. Affirmative, and another one is negative sentence. There are two types of assertive sentence. One is affirmative and another one is negative sentence. Affirmative having positive meaning and negative sentence having negative meaning. For example, I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. ये एक बात को कहता है. This tells us something मैं एक विद्यार्थी हूँ. I am not a student. This sentence denies something, यानी नेगेटिव में है. मैं एक विद्यार्थी नहीं हूँ. There are two main types of assertive sentence. One is affirmative sentence and another one is negative sentence. Example for affirmative sentence, I am a student. Example for negative sentence, I am not a student. Look at another example. She sings well. This is an affirmative sentence. It having positive meaning. वो अच्छा गाना गाती है. इसको नेगेटिव में कैसे लिखेंगे? She does not sing well. This is an example for negative sentence. Now look at the interrogative sentence. An interrogative asks questions. Such types of sentences are called an interrogative sentence. A sentence asks questions are called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence starts in a capital letter and ends in a question mark. An interrogative sentence starts in a capital letter and ends in a question mark. Interrogative sentence start in a is, are, was, where, has, have, had, can, could, etc. Two main types of interrogative sentences. One is yes or no type questions and the other one is question word types of sentences. An example for yes or no type questions are: do you go to school? क्या आप स्कूल जाते हो? We can give its answers yes or no. And an example for question word questions are: what is your name? We can't give this questions answer in yes or no. We have to give its answer in full sentence. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? We have to give its answer in my name is Vijay. Then next type of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence indicates request, command, advice, order. Such type of sentences are called imperative sentence. Example for an imperative sentence: please give me a glass of water. Go outside. That is a command. Such types of sentences are called imperative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence express sudden feelings or sorrow. Such types of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence start in a capital letter and ends in an exclamation marks. Example for exclamatory sentence: what a beautiful sight. How wonderful you are. These two sentences are the example for exclamatory sentence. What do you have learned today? First of all, we learned about what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which having a complete sense. There are four main types of sentences. First one is assertive sentence, and second interrogative sentence, third imperative sentence, and the last one is exclamatory sentence. What is an assertive sentence? A sentence states something is called an assertive sentence. Example for assertive sentence: I am a student, you are a boy, you are going today. Such type of sentence is states something, something, tell us. And second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. A sentence asks questions are called the interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence start in a capital letter and ends in a question mark. An example for interrogative sentence: where are you going? What's your name? Type of sentence is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence indicate command, request, order, etc. are called the imperative sentence. Example for imperative sentence: please give me a glass of water. Go outside immediately. That is an order. Such types of sentences are called the imperative sentence. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses sudden sorrow or feelings. An exclamatory sentence starts in a capital letter and ends in a exclamation mark. What a beautiful picture that is. This type of sentences are called the exclamatory sentences. So, today we have learned about sentence and its types. What is a sentence and four main types of sentence. We can meet again with a new topic. Tab tak ke liye goodbye.